Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
快
Watch the mouth shape for this character's pronunciation.
快，可恶爱，快，快，快乐，快乐，我们每天都很快乐。我们每天都很快乐。快速，快速，他快速做了一个决定。他快速做了一个决定。快步，快步，他快步走向学校。他快步走向学校。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. The left side of this character should be written narrow and the right side wider. This character originally meant feeling comfortable and happy in the heart, and later also referred to being quick in action without delay. In Chinese culture, it represents both a neat and efficient attitude towards doing things and the pleasant feelings of joy and delight. This stroke should be written long. This part should be written a little heavier. See you next class. That's all for today.